Welcome to Jasmine Trades. Jasmine Trades is a commodity trading platform designed to simplify and streamline commodity trade and transactions. This video is specifically designed to show you how to register on the Jasmine Trades platform. Once you submit the partner registration form on the Jasmine Trades website, as shown in the How to Partner with Jasmine Trades video, the team will review and verify your profile. After the verification process is complete, you will receive a registration link at your registered email address. Click on the Register button in the email. You will be redirected to the Jasmine Trades platform to begin the registration process. We need to fill out the registration form step by step. I will guide you through each step of the form to help you complete your registration smoothly. Your email address will be displayed here. Begin by setting a secure password for your account. Next, enter your profile details. Provide your company information, like company name, company address, zip code, city, country, and website. Then click on the Next button. Next is to enter your banking details, such as bank name, bank address, zip code, IBAN number, SWIFT or BIC code, account number, and currency. Then click on the Next button. Select your time zone from the list. Enter your phone number, along with the country code. You will then receive a 6-digit verification code at your email address and phone number. Enter the code to verify your account. Once OTP is verified, your account will be successfully created on the Jasmine Trades platform. You can now log in to Jasmine Trades using the registered email and password you just set up and begin your trading journey. This brings us to the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and happy trading with Jasmine Trades.